In 1995, a visionary set out on a journey to create infrastructure that India needed. Having worked with select reputed organizations, our founding chairman saw both the need and the potential in India and conceptualized Ramki as a multi-industry mega brand. His foresight has truly helped the country create the necessary infrastructural backbone long before anyone else was even thinking about it. And this gave the Ramki Group the status of a pioneer and the first mover advantage in several initiatives. Over the years, Ramki Estates and Farms Limited has established itself as a leading developer with several landmark projects across the country, guided by the dynamic leadership of its Managing Director, Mr. Nandakishore.
Ramki Estates was incorporated in the year 1995, and this 26 years of journey has been spectacular. I would say we've utilized this past 26 years just to lay the foundation of this company. And now we are ready to take off into a different trajectory and take this organization into a different orbit.
As one of the leading conglomerates in infrastructure development, we have delivered a wide range of construction marvels in the real estate sector, comprising residential, commercial and integrated township projects. We ensure our projects combine our philosophy of building with heart and building it smart. On the heart side, we ensure every customer has a worry-free experience and a smooth journey, supported every step to own their dream home. Every project is environment conscious and carefully planned to reduce our carbon footprint at every opportunity.
We at Ramki Estates take every decision keeping our customer in mind. Right from planning and designing, identifying the land parcels, constructing and selling, we keep customers' needs in mind. That is the reason why we are the most preferred builder in South India.
The moment we entered Ramki, it was just like love at first sight. We love the ambience, the environment and the surrounding out here. Quality of the construction is top notch. My kids enjoy staying here and they really love the interaction they have it with other kids and the amenities that we have it here.
At Ramki, we invest a lot of time in project planning so that every inch of space is utilizable. We also use new technologies like building information modeling to have our design in a faster, efficient and smarter way. We also use new construction technologies like precast methodology and also aluminium formwork so that we can deliver the product much faster and in better quality.
And we believe in social change, helping all our workers, their families and the society at large to be uplifted through various initiatives. On the smart side, you'll find that we build intuitive spaces where detailed planning and execution excellence ensure that residents get the most out of the thoughtful amenities. Our projects incorporate tomorrow's technologies, whether it's construction-related innovations or electric vehicle-ready charging points.
Ramki Discovery City is a true integrated township which is being built in Hyderabad. It's a combination of everything put together. You have a school, you will have a hospital, you will have except a railway station, you will get everything within Discovery City. So that is the fundamental core strength of this particular city. The biggest USP of Discovery City, as I can see in the last 12 years of my existence with Ramki, is whenever we have committed, we have delivered, and whatever we have delivered is what we have committed.
So not only that the brick and land was good, but the surrounding was amazing and it is exactly what I was looking for my children. Plus they have a schooling facility, they have everything indoors. And when you take the first turn and enter Ramki, the greenery actually hits your face, which is what we require in this world right now.
We want to be one of the finest professionally managed real estate company in the country. We have a very strong leadership team supported by a passionate group of people who would want to create spaces that truly deliver value to all the stakeholders. We would want to be a multi-product, multi-location real estate organization, providing products and services to various people in the economic strata. We have projects lined up in Hyderabad, some of which are going to redefine the spaces in residential segment. We have in fact forayed into Chennai, Bangalore, Warangal and Vizag to develop some of the state-of-the-art projects. At Ramki Estates, we believe in developing happy communities. Towards this, we interact very closely with the customers, trying to understand their needs and building into our designs and translating into homes that bring a smile on their faces.
Everyone has things to do in the community according to their taste, and my parents are, every morning they go into the balcony and they see greenery everywhere. We go outside and we see football court, the cricket nets and tennis courts, and also the clubhouse, and we can do any activity out of our work time. And then there is our kid here, and he wants to go to the tot lot and swimming pool at all the times. So these are the things that we have liked about this community, because everyone has something to do in the community.
And finally, Ramki is focused on innovation and ideation. We will continue to be the pioneers with deeper understanding of customers, adoption of state-of-the-art technologies, improved execution efficiency and beyond. It is this balance that drives us to bring our best to each project, and we have won several prestigious awards for our projects.
At Ramki Estates, we bring value to every square feet of space that we build, and we also ensure we get value to all the stakeholders in the project.
And as we journey into the future, you can be assured that we will continue to pioneer change and build the best spaces for life.
At Ramki Estates, we build with heart and we build it smart.
At Ramki Estates, we build with heart and we build it smart.
At Ramki Estates, we build it with all our heart and we build it smart.